What's up, YouTube? This goes for 98 through 2001 Dodge Ram trucks with this style dashboard. Basically, I did something today. I don't know if it'll help you guys out. As you guys know, these plastic hinge locations on the factory dash, they're molded into the entire dash. They like to break off, and basically your glove box is useless. Anyway, I made these little brackets up today. Very simple. Really, all I did was took a drill bit, eyeballed it. You know, it's very simple. That's how far it needs to be from the metal backing frame to the end of the hinge. As you can see there. As long as you get it close, the glove box will work fine. I used a self-tapper. These things need to be probably 1.5 inches wide to where the hinge will hook onto here correctly. Pretty much you have to get it to where you see this right here, and you see where the screw head is. They're on the same area, and glove box should go on like stock. I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with me. There you go, you see that? Over here. You see that? Done. It works. No issues. Opens and closes. I hope I help you guys. Later.